Hello friends, welcome back to my channel IGNOU Mentor. If you are pursuing postgraduate diploma in rural development, which is PGDRD or PGDRDOL program from Indira Gandhi National Open University, then you know how important the MRDP-205 project report is. Many students face confusion about how to select a title, how to prepare the synopsis, and what is the proper writing style for the final project report. So don't worry, in today's video, I will guide you step by step. Now, I'm going to talk about the MRDP project. So the MRDP 205 project is compulsory under PGDRD program. It allows you to conduct field-based research on a rural development issues. Okay, apply your theoretical knowledge and gain practical exposure. The project is generally around 100 to 120 pages, written in the systematic academic format which is already given in the guideline, right? Now the second thing is title selection. Many of you have a problem with the title selection, right? So what would be the good title for your project? For this, I'm gonna tell you that your project title should be clear, specific, and research oriented. It should reflect rural development concerns like employment generation, women empowerment, microfinance, rural health, panchayati raj, self-help groups, etc. For example, I'm gonna tell you about some of the topics, right? Well, some of the very important topic in this field is effectiveness of self-help groups on women empowerment. Okay, role of microfinance in promoting sustainable rural livelihood. Okay, role and importance of communication for the development of rural women, awareness and adoption of health and nutritional practices by rural women. So you can see some of the titles, important titles, right here, which are being used, putting your area in the study. Suppose if you're from Kerala, if you're from any village of Kerala, you can put your village name at the end of the title and conduct a research report so that it will be very specific. So in this way you can select the titles. These are the most important titles, right? Next I'm going to talk about synopsis preparation. Okay, so next step is synopsis preparation. Before writing the full report, you need to prepare a synopsis and get it approved by IGNOU. Okay, a good synopsis should include these points which I'm going to tell you from the guideline of MRDP 205. So this is the guideline given by the university in which the synopsis should include some of the points which are given here. I'm going to tell you. Okay, research design. So titles of research design. There's so many things given here. I'll have to find out where the proposal is. Proposal. Providing. Okay. Is there any table of content given here? Tools analysis. Unit 4. So the proposal section If the proposal section won't be available here, or it is missing here, then I'll gonna tell you the steps directly, because I already worked on many synopsis, right? So I'm gonna tell you my experience as well as the documented things. Okay, so let's talk about how the synopsis can be made. Okay, and what are the components? What would be the main structure of project proposal? So the project proposal must contain these things. So first thing is title of the study, right? Then after introduction. In introduction, you have to write brief about the topic you have selected. After that, a statement of the problem you have to include. After statement of the problem, you have to write objectives of the study. Okay, you have to write objectives. After that, the research methodology should be there. So in research methodology, you have to put what kind of research you are doing, like research design. After that, sample size, data collection tools, questionnaires, if you have used any, and how will you do data analysis, that has must be there. Okay, and after that you have to write the scope of the study, limitations of the study. Okay, and don't miss out the review of literature after introduction or a statement of the problem. You have to write brief review of literature related to the study you are going to do. Okay, so these are the things you have to mention in your proposal. Let's move towards, and the size of the proposal not should not exceed 10 to 10 to 12 pages, because as per the guideline it must be within um, 10 to 12 pages. Okay, and next thing is sometimes your guide may ask you to add more content to your synopsis. In that particular situation you have to add it, because as per the guide you have to go on for your project work. Next thing is writing style of the project report, right? So once your synopsis approved, you can start full project. The writing style should be like formal, academic, and descriptive. Okay, you have to write most of the things in bullet points, which clarifies so many things easily. Okay, and what would be the structure of your project report? So everything will be the same as synopsis. You have to add the structure of the project report would be like title page. Okay, after that you have to add certificate of originality. Okay, and after that you have to add acknowledgement, then table of content, then you have to start the chapters. The first chapter will be introduction chapter, introduction, and after that review of literature, then research methodology, and then data analysis and interpretation, then findings, suggestions, and conclusion will be your fifth chapter. After that bibliography you can put, and then annexure. After doing these all things, I'm gonna tell you some tips about writing project. So select relevant rural issues as your title. The second tip is prepare a focused synopsis and get it approved. Third tip is follow IGNOU's academic style for writing. And the last is make your project practice by including primary data collection. So primary data collection should be there. if you do all these things properly, your MRDP 205 project will not only score well, but also help you understand real challenges in rural development. Okay, so in this video, we have studied about the title of the project, after that synopsis preparation, project preparation, tips to write a good project report. So that's all we have studied in this particular video. So friends, I hope this video clears your doubts about how to make MRDP 205 project report for PGDRD. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. You can also contact me on my WhatsApp number for personal guidance. Thank you very much for watching this video.